Santa's gonna give me all the gifts in this joint, every single one, and one of them better be my she shed, Kenny. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also another edition of WIGMAS, and I'm collabing with another one of my wig baes. I know her by Shannon, but you guys may know her by SawLife. Y'all, this right here is my girl. If you do not know her, hello, what are you waiting for? I just love her and her energy. She lays it down and she is so underrated. Just look at what she's serving you right now with this look right here. It's the whole look for me, okay? She serves it every single time and she's very high energy like I am. We here. Now we are both giving you guys some holiday looks on a budget. So make sure after you check out my video, you go ahead and check out hers. I will put her link down below so you guys can do that. It is also Sip and Slay, and I got my wine on deck. I've been waiting. Stella, come out and play. That red apple got me again, y'all. It got me again. Let's get it on. About to lift my wig up. Goodness gracious. She is sweet though. She is sweet. Anyway, before we get into my look, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit was sent to us by Julia Hair. It is their Brazilian curly lace front wig. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $99.75. Now, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price can go up. The unit only comes in 150% density. However, you can choose your length, so 12 to 24 inches, as well as your parting space. So you can get a 5x5 HD lace closure, a T-part unit, or a 13x4 lace closure. So for me, I got the T-part unit, which is about 4 inches of parting space down the center. I also got the 24 inches, and my unit is $222.58. I do have a coupon code though listed down below, so if you guys want to check that out, you definitely can. If 24 inches is too much for you, you can definitely check out a shorter length for a cheaper price and keep it pushing. Okay, let's go. The unit does come with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I will say this unit does fit down big head friendly based on how it's on my head. You guys know my head is 23 inches every day, and this unit is fitting down pretty comfortably on my head. I did use the combs on the side. I hooked them under my wig grip because the unit kept slipping back, and I did not want to spray this unit down. So this unit is glueless on my head, okay? Now, as I mentioned, this is a T-part unit, and with a T-part unit, you get a 4-inch deep parting space here in the middle, and then you get about 0.75 inches of parting space wide. So if you need to go in and kind of pull out some hair to open up your parting space, you can do that. There's no other parting space on the side. However, Julia Hair, just like all the other brands that that did it gave us that faux scalp, and it's just like, why? First of all, it don't match my skin tone, and second, it's there for no reason. It's not covering up nothing. It's a faux scalp to no scalp. It's what are you trying to make? I can't part the hair anywhere so you can see that joint, so what's the point in doing it? You're making extra work for yourself, Julia. Stop it. Stop it now. Don't be trying to upcharge us just because you're putting that joint on there. I'm taking it off anyway. Just leave it off, okay? Leave it off and give me back my $5, okay? Because as you can see, the parting space is just fine without it. So I don't need that faux scalp situation. I wanted to focus my efforts on my curls, okay? Because I was so excited about this unit. Big curly hair is one of my favorite textures to work with. So when I saw this curl pattern out the pack, I knew, okay? I knew she was gonna be banging. Julia, you didn't disappoint. Y'all, I am sitting, okay? I know I am. I know I am. Now I did try out a new product today. It was the Vanessa brush. That brush actually clumps the curls a lot more than my Evolve brush. Even though they both kind of work the same, the shape is definitely different. My Evolve brush, which is the pink brush, has a more tapered look towards the ends, which kind of clumps the curls in a tighter fashion. Whereas my new Vanessa Leatherwood brush, it spaces the curls out and leaves them where they are. So the way it starts to clump at the top is how it clumps at the bottom. So it's one even like clumpage. Shout out to my girl Brittany who put me onto that brush. However, I also saw Miss Naturally Mary was the first one to do it. So definitely shout out to both of them for inspiring me to get that brush because y'all, it is everything. It will be linked down below so you guys want to check it out for yourself. You can definitely do that. Amazon Prime hitting with that shipping, okay? I did get some shedding during the co-wash as well as during the detangling process. I didn't get no tangling though, so that's good. At 150% density, I feel like this is a lot of hair. 150 on me, now that I have her all styled the way I want, feels a lot more like 200. The hair is just big. It fluffs out really nicely. If you are someone who wants a more, you know, sleek look, you can definitely rock the hair in a more, you know, wet style. But yeah, all in all, y'all, this is a gorgeous unit. I cannot complain about this unit, and it can definitely be a throw on and go after your first wear. After you wash it and get your curls popping, you can definitely rock this unit as is out the pack because she will be ready to go at any given time, okay? I got hair. What is going on? Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. You guys also saw that I went in and put my knot eraser into my parting space. So the knot eraser just helps to conceal the knots of the unit and also to make your part stand out because you want your parting space to kind of be a little bit lighter than your natural skin tone so that it pops. If you don't want to buy that, you can definitely just use some makeup concealer. I still love the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think it's like $2 or $3 from CVS or like, you know, you can get it from Amazon. But y'all, I feel like this looks good. Let me get my wine. He ain't got the heat all up. It's burned up in here. I'm sweating everything. Good Lord. Ooh, it's the wine too. That's good. This is how she's looking to the side, and then this is how she is looking to the back, okay? Very full, no gaps. This is for any and all my wig baes who do not like to deal with a whole bunch of lace, especially, you know, during the winter time. It's a little brisk outside. You may not want to get that lace stuck to your forehead, so you may just want to go ahead and throw something on and go. This one's for you. I'm touching all price points, hairlines, and expertise. Here you go. Get in where you fit in, sis. And Gary. Santa's gonna give me all the gifts in this joint, okay? With this hair, I'm gonna get all the gifts, every single one, and one of them better be my she shed, Kenny. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below for my unit, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Also, shout out to my girl Shannon for collabing with me. Make sure you guys check out her video down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.